Hey guys, I'm Saumil and you are watching Okidoke. Now in this video, I would be telling you some awesome apps that you must try. Now these apps are going to help you in your daily life and please watch the video till end. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel Okidoke. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, let us move on to our first app. So the first app, name of the first app is Vipo Phones. So now let us start it. In this app, what you can do is you can play your own weapons and fire them. This is a very cool app. So now we have a number of weapons here. So let us fire with this. This has a number of settings. You can also open the flash and smoke effects which add-ons to the quality. Now let us, when you use it in a dark room, you can clearly see the flash. Also this app has a volume 2 which you can download, and in this one also we get a number of weapons. Let me show you. We get many weapons in this. So guys, let us move on to our second app. The name of the second app is Solar System. I think many of you may be aware of this. What you can do in this is you can view the solar system in your own perspective. So now it is very good for the people who like to discover solar system and are interested in science. So here is the preface. It is a very futuristic and modern preface. So now you can see the solar system, the sun, Venus, and also you can see our galaxy and other galaxies also. Let me show you. Now you can also search planets, dwarf planets, comets, constellations and stars. So this is a very good app for those who want to study science and space. So guys, let us move on to our third app. The name of the third app is App Hider. Now it is not a usual hider. What we can do is, now I mean to hide this chain reaction, import hide dual. Now it would create a copy of the app. Now let us delete it from the main menu. Here we delete it. Now what we got is, go into the app and icon disguise. Now let us set up a pin 789456. Now what we need to do is confirm, and then it bees a calculator. Now what we need to do is open this, then only you can get into the hiding space. So guys, let us move on to our fourth app. The name of the fourth app is AR Moscow. So now what it does is, let me start with this. So now we need to take the screenshot of this photo. Now share it via WhatsApp or any other app to another phone. Now what you need to do is open the another phone. Now open this photo, and from the app you need to scan it like this. Now it creates a building that is a AR one, but also it looks very cool. So now also you can move it and take the whole preview of the building. So guys, let us move on to our fifth and the final app. The name of the app is Microsoft Math Solver. It is a pretty good app for those who love maths and those who don't know how to do maths. It is an app from which you can upload photos or draw, or you can write and get any solution. You can take your own picture and you can even draw any of the problems like trigonometry, sine 45. Now it processes the problem and now you can get the solution to this. This is a very cool app for those who love maths. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel Okidoke and give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also share this video with your family and your friends. and thank you for watching.